Now today for this recipe we are using the fat, the rind of the pork chop. I'm going to just slice this up and then it's going into a cold pan. So while this heats up, we've got a dressing to make. I always go with the yogurt. We've got some mayonnaise here, you can use whatever flavor. And then we've got some basil pesto. This is beautiful, I'm just adding some lemon with everything. Tomatoes, the fruit of the kitchen, fruit of the vegetables. Just a little bit of salt. This is starting to smell beautiful. So our dressing is going just all over this. So there we go. Apparently that's dinner. Lunch? Are we making lunch? It's lunch. Salad. Enjoy.